Hi guys, if you're thinking about trying out TRT, watch my video to the end because I'm going to share information about Fountain TRT, which is one of the best sites to get TRT online, at least from my experience. I'll also provide a link to get savings for Fountain TRT if you decide to try it out. The first thing I did was fill out the online questionnaire to determine if I might benefit from it. And I also had to do some blood work that they helped me set up nearby. It took 3 days for my results to come back, and I scheduled a virtual consultation to discuss results and if TRT is appropriate for me. The doctor took the time to explain everything, including potential side effects, and how TRT works. I made the order and paid online without any hassles or leaving my home. It was great getting the medicine delivered to me and it arrived on time. It came with instructions, and if you have any questions, they have great customer service. And their treatment options come in topical cream or injections. I chose the injections because they are not daily like the cream, and I didn't want to deal with applying it daily. I like how Fountain TRT is upfront with the pricing without hidden fees. Everything was explained to me, including what I was paying for, the medication, ongoing support, and shipping. I was very pleased with the service I received, and the testosterone was pharmaceutical grade. And the packaging was discreet, which was important. I know their monthly fee of $199 is a little pricey, but honestly, TRT in general isn't cheap, and considering that this price literally includes everything, when comparing the price to other TRT clinics online, it's actually really good price. They include the medication, virtual consultations, and ongoing medical support. Also, please keep in mind that Fountain TRT doesn't accept insurance, but they do accept FSA and HSA cards, which can be used to cover the costs. So if you're looking for a reliable and legitimate source to buy TRT online, they are a good option. Guys, I hope you liked the video, and don't forget the link.